Best AI tools for music producers. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best apps out there, some of the best websites out there that you can use as a music producer and that are going to help you a lot in your field. So let's get into this. First of all, the first website that I have for you is AI. So what this does is basically it is a website where you can add in any audio and then you can extract any component of that audio. Like for example, if you add some music audio in this app right here you can see that you can select your file from the computer. Just click on that and you can select your file from your computer. It can be any music, it can be any audio, it can be any like song or something. So when you put it here, it basically extracts the thing that you ask for. Like for example, if you want to extract the guitars from that specific audio, you can basically go on and extract only the guitars. If you want to extract the drums, you can extract them. If you want to extract the bass, you can extract that. And if you want to if you want to have the guitar and only the vocals, you can extract them as well. So it basically gives make components of all the song. It basically separates everything and you can just go on and work on the thing that you want. Like for example, if there's a song that you want to work on, or if you want to see which chords have been used in the guitars of that specific song, you can just go on and extract the guitar from this app using this app, and there you go. You can basically study the chords and you can recreate them if you want to. So the next app that I have for you is UberDuck.ai. So this is an open source voice AI community. What it does is basically it make AI voiceovers with 5,000 plus expressive voices. So it basically makes AI based voiceovers. So what you can do is basically you can sign in and then you can add you can do all of these things. You can text to speech, custom voice clones, or you can have AI generated raps. So this is what I'm talking about. You can just go on and ask it to write a rap for you. For example, give it a topic, give it some kind of lines if you want to add in your rap, and it is going to generate the whole rap for you. So it is very easy. Like if you are having a creator's block, if you are not if you have an idea in your mind and you don't know where to start or how to write the rap about that, so you can just go on and generate the whole rap using this uberduck.ai. It is going to make it very easy for you. And also you can like, it is not a complete thing. It might be not very good if it comes to the person's creativity. It can never beat that, but the thing is that you're going to get a lot of inspiration from it. You're going to get a lot of ideas from it, so you can just work on that, like rework those ideas, rework the rap that it has created for you, and you are good to go. Like you can basically go on and get that playing, and you can basically generate something really good out of it. So the next website that I have for you is Jasper.ai. So Jasper is an amazing platform. Okay, so Jasper is also another app that can help you generate your lyrics for free. Like you can just go on and type in the genre of the lyrics. You can also type in the music director or singer like you want to generate. Like for example, there's Drake. So if you want to generate the lyrics that might sound like Drake, so you can just go on and choose him, and then you can just go on and ask him to generate the lyrics for you. And the Jasper is going to create lyrics for you that will sound like a Drake's rap. So this is what it does for you. So you can just go on, and if you are like, if you want to have some creative content for your lyrics, if you want to see how they're gonna look like, what to put together and not, so you can just go on and ask Jasper for help, and this is going to help you a lot. So the next app that I have for you is playphrase.me. So Playphrase is also a very great platform. What it does for you is basically it is going to when you can just go on and type anything, like don't know the first thing about me. You can, this is a very random text that you have just added, and it is going to get you a lot of clips that have been that have the same phrase being used in them. For it can be from movies, from TV series, or whatever. So but it is going to get you those clips on internet, and they're small pieces, so you can just use them in your rap. If you want to use them in your music video, depending on the type of thing that you're creating, you can use them in your vlogs or something like that. You can just go on and use them anywhere. You can just type in what you want the clip about, what the clip should say, and you're going to get it. For example, here it is written, don't know the first thing about, and here you got the movie clip which says, you don't know the first thing about me, Paul. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. You can just type in anything and you're going to get a lot of you can get a lot of clips related to that. Here you can see that these are the amount of clips that they have in on their website. So you can find a lot of things from this large collection. Okay, so the next thing is that the next platform that I have for you is AI. The AI is going to create the track for you. You can use any instrument that you want. For example, if you want your track to have modern cinematic track, if you want to have electronic music, pop, ambient, rock, fantasy, you can choose the music type that you want to create your track in. Use our preset algorithms to compose music in predefined style, so you can choose your style, then you can compose with influences. If you want to compose something that is related or that is similar to a specific influencer, you can just go on and choose him as well, and then you can basically choose on your instruments, and you can go on, and Iowa is going to create the track for you. It is very easy that you can create something really good out of it, and you can basically go on and use that. You can recreate it in your studio if you want to, and you can see how the things are working and how you can basically get an inspiration and idea depending upon what you want. So it is going to create a really great thing for you. Okay, so the next platform that I have for you is samplet.io. What is this going to do is it is going to scout the YouTube automatically for samples. You can just click on this button, just random, and it is going to sample you. It is going to give you a lot of samples that you can work with, and you can see that these are some unknown names, unknown songs that have been forgotten over the time, and you can use them in your videos if you want to. And you can use them in your videos if you want to get inspiration, and you can use them for everything that you can see that this is also forgotten track. And Shelton green sleeves, you can use that. It is going to it is going to be a very good sample for you. So you can just go on and randomly scout the samples for YouTube. You don't have to spend hours on sampling, so you can get them right here for free. So this is also a very great platform that you can use for your music production. Okay, so the last platform that I have for you is Orb Producer, and as you can see, it is a really great platform. It is very professional. So Orb Producer is basically a collection of four plugins, four AI based plugins, and these are Orb chords, Orb melody, Orb bass, and Orb arpeggio. So you can just go on and see, check all of them, and this one is going to create chords. They're basically self-explanatory. You can sense by name what they're going to do for you. It is going to create the chords. It is going to create the melody for you, and then this one is going to create the bass, the perfect bass line generator. And this basically arpeggios you need. This is going to create that for you. So you can just go on and use all of them, and you are going to get a really professional music video after using all of these plugins. It is basically you can just go on and check it out. It might have a free version available, or you can buy it if you are music producers, and the spending money on this won't be a waste of time, neither the waste of money. So you can just go on and get this, and it is going to handle everything for you. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.